Most commonly used injection. Antibiotic. Arizon. Generic name Ceftriaxone sodium. Ciprux. Generic name ciprofloxacin. Flux. Generic name flucloxacillin sodium. Erixon. Generic name Ceftriaxone sodium. 250 milligram, 500 milligram, 1 gram, 2 gram. Root. IM IV injection. Use after surgery, gonorrhea, bone and joint infection. Side effect: rash, diarrhea, nausea and vomiting. Ciprux. Generic name ciprofloxacin. 200 milligram. Root. IV injection. Use infective diarrhea, abdominal pain, urinary tract infection. Side effect: vomiting, headache, skin rash. Flux. Generic name flucloxacillin sodium. 500 milligram. Root. IM IV injection. Use pneumonia, septicemia, skin and soft tissue infection. Side effect: fever, diarrhea, vomiting. Gastritis. Ominex. Generic name omeprazole. Sargel. Generic name esomeprazole. Pantid. Generic name pantoprazole. Ominex. Generic name omeprazole. 40 milligram. Root. IV injection. Use gastric ulcer, duodenal ulcer. Side effect: dizziness, dry mouth, skin rash. Sargel. Generic name esomeprazole. 40 milligram. Root. IV injection. Use acid related dyspepsia, duodenal and gastric ulcer, Zollinger Ellison syndrome. Side effect: headache, flatulence, abdominal pain. Pantid. Generic name pantoprazole. 40 milligram. Root. IV injection. Use chest pain, peptic ulcer, heartburn. Side effect: rash, headache, flatulence. Stop bleeding. Jamic. Generic name tranexamic acid. Jamic. Generic name tranexamic acid. 500 milligram. Root. IM IV injection. Use after surgery bleeding, after delivery bleeding, irregular menstrual period. Side effect: nausea, itching, diarrhea. Antiemetic or vomiting. Imeran. Generic name ondansetron. Peloron. Generic name pelonosetron. Imerin. Generic name ondansetron. 8 milligram. Root. IM IV injection. Use nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, post-operative nausea and vomiting. Side effect: headache, constipation, diarrhea. Peloron. Generic name pelonosetron. 0.075 milligram. Root. IV injection. Use uncontrolled nausea and vomiting, chest and abdominal pain, acute nausea and vomiting. Side effect: headache, constipation, dry mouth. Analgesic or pain. Rulac. Generic name ketorolac 2-methamine. Elgin. Generic name timonium methyl sulfate. Rulac. Generic name ketorolac 2-methamine. 10 milligram or 30 milligram. Route: IM, IV injection. Use: pain, after surgery pain, inflammatory pain. Side effect: anxiety, vomiting, headache. Elgin, generic name triammonium methyl sulfate. 5 milligram. Route: IM, IV injection. Use: abdominal pain, bladder and uterus pain, delivery pain. Side effect: hypotension, vomiting, dry mouth. Thank you. Please subscribe.